Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day today. Well, today I'm having part 2 of my review of the biggest craft store. So let's get started. This first one is a 14 count. It's 22 by 77. It's called Bird and Cherries. Let's open it up. It comes in a beautiful Joy Sunday bag. They do such a good job at packaging everything. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? Little basket of red cherries with that beautiful little yellow bird. It's just awesome. Just awesome. It has a really big chart. It's all on one page. It has 38 colors. It does have the chart numbers, both of them right here, and the name on the page of the chart. It has full stitch and back stitch. It has 4 separate colors, not separate, but other colors for your, what do you call it? Your back stitching. Sorry, words escape me today. But isn't that just a beautiful little picture? Oh, just gorgeous. Let's take a look at the beautiful colors. Has 2 needles. It does not have a sticker on it saying what the chart number is. That's okay though. You have some greens and oranges and yellows and some like ecru, I think, and some white. I don't know if that, where did it go? It's 3865. That's 3865. I thought maybe it was B5200. It's so bright. Let's see the rest of them. Yeah, if I can get them untangled. They're very long, which is nice. Ooh, look at that purple. What color is that? Oh, it's 550. Yep. My favorite purple. And real dark, like olive green. And another maybe grass green. And then you got some pale yellow greens. Beautiful colors. Just beautiful. Look at those oranges and the reds for the cherries. This is going to be stunning. Just stunning. Beautiful. Whoop, come on. I'm trying to roll it all up, but aren't those just beautiful colors? Nice, bright, vivid colors. I love the basket colors. It's going to be beautiful. Let's take a look at the canvas. Let's see if I can get it to lay down. No, that didn't work so hot, did it? It's not very big. It is 22 by 27. A lot of confetti right in here and in the middle. But you can kind of see rivers of colors, you know, for the cherries. So that'll be nice. And there's a little bit of confetti on the bird. It does have the 2 numbers that are on the front page, plus the name of it. It is serged all the way around, and it is 22 by 27 exactly. The actual picture is 6 3/4, which is about 17.5 centimeters by almost 8, which is a little over 20 centimeters. Nice graph down here. You can actually read the numbers across and see all the beautiful symbols. So those work out really nice. Now, the oh, I was gonna say the back stitching isn't even on there, but it is. They put it over here. Isn't that odd? That's just bizarre. Never saw it quite like that, but I guess they had no other choice. But it's all gonna go away, you know, when you wash it and everything. But I just thought this was a stunning, stunning little picture. Isn't it gorgeous? That little bird is so delicate and sweet. Just sitting there on that basket and all the pretty leaves. So the back stitching is mainly Like there's some around each one of the cherries and the stems and a little bit on the bird, but that basket, yeah. That basket would be a piece of work. You can barely see the back stitching here. But yeah, it would be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know if I could do that one justice. Now this one was $8.99. So, yeah. Just lovely. Lovely, lovely. Put that up there. Now another thing I got was I got another set of the little clips that you clip onto cloth. This works better on cloth than it does on diamond painting because it lays flat. It just did not work. It just stuck up too far, but it works great on my counted cross stitch, you know, like when I'm using my hoop and everything. Just beautiful. Well, I'll put those over there. I'm not going to open them, just so I know them. But those clips, they're real inexpensive. They're like 99 cents for 2. So I just got 2 more of them, and I may get 2 more again. You never can tell. This is called Teapot with Flowers. I don't think it's a teapot. It's more of a like a crock, if you will. There looks like something like canned up. It doesn't have a name or word on it. And a lovely little sunflower and some like berries-ish, I guess. I don't know. I just thought this was really pretty too. It looks like it's got some half stitches in it. And the back stitching isn't as nearly as intense as that basket. It's beautiful. So this one was $5.99. Comes in a lovely Joy Sunday bag. I love these bags. They're so sturdy and they zip right, lock back up. They're just beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's get it out of here so you can see what the picture looks like. Isn't that pretty? I just love the blues and the orangish reds. They're just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And that sunflower just laying there. It's awesome. It's a nice, cute little picture. It's 18 by 19. Excuse me. And it has 24 colors. It has full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. Like I said, so that's not too terribly bad. Your half stitches are like shadowing under things and around things. Every once in a while you do catch a half stitch over in here, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. Just beautiful. And how many colors did I say it had? 24 colors. Amazing. Does come with 2 needles. Doesn't have a sticker. That's fine. They're kind of long. I was trying to get everybody else out of the way so I could show you what colors I was looking at. Look at those purples. Bluish purple for like the vase and that towel or whatever that's laying there. Just beautiful colors. Nice and bright and vivid. And the browns for the jug. Just gorgeous. This is a cute little kit. Just petite. Let's take a look at the canvas. But I just like the picture. I thought it was neat. So see, it's not very big. And it does not have any back stitches. Now this is very, very hard to read. It is serged all the way around. Before I forget, it does have both the numbers that are on the front of the paper. But yeah, this is insane. Very hard to see down here. You can see the symbols all right. But wow, it is tiny. Tiny, tiny. You can't hardly read the numbers. You can read a couple of them, but not too much. And it does say half stitch here. So you might want to keep this real close. This does not match this, though. For what, you can count across and then count this way for how many numbers it is just to check it out. But it's very hard to read on this small of a piece of material. It says it's 74 by 79. The actual size is 18 by 19. Let's see. 18. It's just a little bit taller. Yep, by 19. Which is perfect. Has about an inch going all the way around it. 13, which is a little over 5. 13 by 14 and a half. So, yeah. But it wouldn't take you too long to do that. There's, minimal back stitching. This is why I rarely do 14 count, but this one's kind of small. So it would take you a couple weeks to do it. And then put all the back stitching in it. It'd be interesting. Interesting. But I just loved the way it looks. I like that country look. And if you know what kind of berries those are, let me know. So, no, cranberries come out of water, right? So, yeah, no, that's not how that works. I don't know what those are supposed to be, but they're really pretty. I love that vase. It's just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. You did it again, Joy Sunday. I'm going to do it 14 count yet. And the last one that I have is, it's a 40 by 50 and it was $11.99. Look at that fish. Fish and peonies. Looks like it's got some beautiful colors too. I'm trying to find the edge. I'm always going from the wrong end or the wrong side. This is from a DIY cross stitch. I like their kits. I have no qualms with them at all. Just beautiful. Look at that fish. Isn't it awesome? And I don't believe you do the back stitching in this either. But I just like the fish. He was so pretty with pinks and blues and just gorgeous. And the scales. And there's a little bit of greenery there. Isn't that awesome? Comes with a graph. And it does have the product number, how big it is, and what the square count is. It's 129 by 173. So it's not too big. It's got 25 colors. These are the colors of the threads. This key will match this canvas. And it has the DMC number, the symbol, and the number on the thread card. But no, you do not do the background. So this is a partial cross stitch, which is nice. Let's take a look at the beautiful colors. Oh, we have white already. I was trying to get a white background here. Hang on. Beautiful colors. Trying. They're 100 feet long again. Look at how bright and vivid those colors are. Aren't they just stunning? Just absolutely stunning. Look at that bright, bright orange. You got more bright pinks and purples and fuchsias. This will be outstanding when it's done. Just outstanding. It is an 11 count, not a 14 count. It does have the sticker that matches the paper and the canvas. So that is nice. Beautiful. Just, luscious, luscious colors, and they're so soft. They're not too soft, but they're soft, you know? They're easy to work with. I love their kits. I really do. Just absolutely love them. Nice, yummy, yummy colors. Now this one does have 2 needles here. See if we can get it to lay down. Nice, big, thread key so you can see it. Now this canvas is kind of light here, but it doesn't take it away. Let me fold it just in half. It doesn't take away from the fact that you can read all the symbols. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Nice lightweight canvas too. It's not serged around the edge, but just absolutely lovely. Does have, sorry, do that again, has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per inch, or squares across and squares down. Not squares per inch. I don't know what I'm thinking. Some days. But yeah, this wouldn't take long to do at all. Just beautiful. No 939, no 310. All bright and vivid colors. Sorry, I got a string hanging. That's not totally surprising. But all these colors here are the colors of the threads. They're very easy to read. That bright reddish orange was 666. But yeah, you read the DMC numbers, and the symbols are nice and big. So's the thread card numbers. Just beautiful. Let's see how big it is. Okay, it's 40 across. See if I can measure this. This is a nice size. By 40, little over 49 and a half. The actual picture is 30, which is almost 12 by 39 and a half. Where'd you go? 39 and a half, so 12 by 15. Nope. 12 by 11. 11 and 3/4 by 15 and a half. So it's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Just love how bright and vivid those colors are. Man, this would be a joy to work on. Just beautiful. Love that fish. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I like that you can read all the symbols. They're very well printed. I've not had a problem with any of these kits other than maybe being short of thread, but the company has sent me thread to solve that problem, so we'll have plenty of thread. Plenty of beautiful thread. Just gorgeous. Alright, well go check out Biggest Craft, and thank you Biggest Craft for sending me these lovely kits. They were just stunning. And don't forget that they have free shipping for orders over $49. They have 18% off the entire site. They do not have diamond painting. They only have cross stitch and embroidery. They do have custom. They have pre-stamped and counted cross stitch, beaded embroidery, and if I'm not mistaken, I think they have punch needle. They also have embroidery and embroidery kits and beaded cross stitch. So do check them out. And I'll be back tomorrow and we'll start one of these. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.